Mr. Satya, how should I do question number 6?
So for question number 6, we have to do minus 3 raised to power 3. So z is minus 3. So minus then plus. Okay, so
Yeah.
then so then we have to like calculate the raised to power. So the first had become minus 27 minus 5832 minus 15 minus 27, which is equal to minus 5901.
5000 कहाँ से आ गए? Mr. Sarthak, how you have done it?
So I got minus 27 minus 54 minus minus 15 minus 9, and then minus 27 minus 54 minus 15 minus 9, minus 81, then minus 15, then minus 9. So minus 96 plus minus 9. So minus,
what is the final answer?
So I got minus 105.
Mr. Ariman, what is your final answer?
So I got 27 plus 15 plus 9. So that will be 33.
Mr. Satya, what is your final answer?
Sir, I got it minus 5909. I got my mistake, sir.
So Sarthak, minus 3 cube is minus 27. Is it okay, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
6 into z square. This would be 6 into 9. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then you have minus 5 into minus 3 would be plus 15. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then there is a minus 9. So what I've done is minus 27 plus 54 plus 15 minus 9. I've added these two. This would be 69, and then I have added 27 and 9. This would be 36, and 69 minus 36 is 33. Mr. Ariman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr.
So
Satya,
I
any doubt?
just did a slightly different way, sir.
Yeah.
I did minus 27 plus 54 minus 15 plus 9, 15 minus 9. And I got 27 plus 15 plus 9.
देखिए sir, ऐसा है. Whatever you want to do, you can do. See, say for example, what you can do is you can calculate these two first, and then these two. Now, what I find easier is to add the numbers with the same sign. So that is why I've added these two, and then I've added these two. Arman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, what you need to understand is these two have the same sign, and these two have the same sign. So just to avoid the confusion, I have followed this method. But any other method is also okay. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should I do this? Mr. Sarthak?
So, should I say so?
Mr. Sarthak, have you done the question?
Yes, sir.
Did you do it like this?
Yes, I did like that.
Okay, after this, what was the answer?
So the answer was plus 30.
Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
what is the final answer?
Sir, I got 40.
क्या कर रहे हो भाई? Mr. Arman, what is the final answer?
So I didn't get it right. So I got 6090.
So I have 2 into x plus 10. The value of x is 10. So I put the value of x 10 here. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Then there is 3y minus 10. The value of y is minus 10. I wrote minus 10 here, minus 10, minus 10. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
So there is plus 50 also.
Yeah, there is plus 50 also. I'm sorry.
So you didn't add 50.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Plus 50 also. Yeah. So 20 into 2 is 40. This is minus 20, minus 20, minus 60, and then the missing 50 plus 50. So I'll add plus 50. So 90 minus 60 would be plus 30. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, I had missed on the plus 50 part. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do question number 8?
So it will be minus 1 raised to power 2 into minus 2 into plus into 5 plus 1 into minus 2 raised to power 2 into 5 plus 1 into minus 2 into 5 raised to power 2. So it will be minus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus minus 2 into 25. So minus 15 plus 20 plus minus 15 minus 50. Minus 65 plus 20, answer is 45. Minus 45.
Is the final answer minus 20? Mr. Sarthak?
So I got minus 45.
Mr. Aryaman?
Sorry, sir.
What is the final answer? Question number 8?
Minus 40.
Mr. Satya?
Sir, I got different only, minus 5,980.
भाई आपके 5000 कहाँ से चले जाते हैं यार? Okay, let us check whether I have done it right. Minus p square is minus 1 square. Q is minus 2. R is 5. P is 1. Q square is minus 2 square. R is 5. P, Q, R square. This is P, this is Q, this is R square. Now this seems to be okay till here. Now after this, so this is 1, this is minus 2. This is minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. And there is a minus outside, so that is why I have written 10 here. Plus, this is 1. Minus 2 square is 4. And 4 into 5 is 10. So I made a mistake here. No, it's okay. 4 5 are 20. Then there is 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Multiplied by 25. So this is minus 2 into minus 25 is minus 50. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
So in the place of 10, I got minus 15.
Why minus 50?
So minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 15.
Minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 15.
Oh, sorry, sir. It will be minus.
Mr. Aryaman?
Yes, sir. Correct.
And then 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 minus 50 is minus 20. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
भाई सत्य आपको समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा?
समझ आ रहा है सर.
सर आपको ये रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. I think we have some confusion. Yeah? Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir.
आपको रिपीट करना पड़ेंगे ये सारे क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how should I do this?
So 3 into minus 3 minus 5 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 8 minus so it will be minus 9 minus 5 plus minus 6 plus 8 minus 14 plus minus 6 plus 8. So
See,
it
there's
will
a
be
yeah.
20.
So I think there is a easier way of doing this. You can add 3x plus 2x. What would be the answer?
So 5x.
And then you can add minus 5 and 8. What will be the answer?
So 3.
Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And then once I have this simpler expression, then I'll put the value of x to be minus 3. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So have you guys got an answer as -12?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Ariman? Yeah,
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya.
Yes.
Again, B part. Sarthak, how should I do it?
So -2. So -2 raised to power 2 -5 into -2 plus 4. 4 minus 5 into -2 plus 4. 4 minus 10 plus 4. So 8 minus 8. So it will be -2.
So I got a different answer. So I got -2 square minus 5 into -2 plus 4. That's 4 plus 10 plus 4, which is 18. I got what you got.
Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
आपका आंसर क्या है? 5000.
Sir, 18. No, sir.
Sarthak, have you checked your mistake?
Yes, I did the integer minus wrong.
Okay. Mr. Ariman, how should I do this?
Okay, sir. So it's 2 to the 2 cube minus 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square plus 2 minus 1.
Okay, 1 second. Mr. Ariman, देखिए. Just let me know whether you are able to understand this or not. So I have x cube. There is a minus outside. So the sign inside the bracket will change. This will become minus x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. Mr. Satya, are you able to understand what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
There is a minus outside and there is x square minus 1. So this will be minus x square plus 1. And there is plus x plus 1. Mr. Sarthak, are you able to understand what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ariman?
Yes.
So what I'm doing is, basically what I'm doing is I'm simplifying the expression first. Now I will be able to cancel this x cube and this x cube. Then I'll be able to cancel this minus x and this plus x. And there is 2x square minus x square, which will be x square. And then I'll add 1, 2, 3. This would be x square plus 3. Are you guys able to understand this or not?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, are you able to understand this?
Yes.
I got the same answer.
So before putting the value, I'm just trying to simplify the factor so that I don't have to do any complex calculations. Now, once I reach here, I simply put x is equal to 2 here. So this will be 2 square plus 3. So this will be 4 plus 3 is 7. Mr. Sarthak, is it your final answer 7?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
what is your final answer?
So, sir.
Mr. Ariman?
7 only, sir.
So please see what I'm doing. I'm simplifying the factor. I'm simplifying the algebraic expression before I put the value. अगर आप यहाँ 2 डालेंगे, फिर यहाँ 2 डालेंगे, फिर यहाँ 2 डालेंगे, यहाँ 2 डालेंगे, यहाँ 2 डालेंगे, तो it will take a long time. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, what do you suggest? How should we solve this?
So
Mr. Ariman?
So first we'll simplify everything.
Shabash. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Ariman.
So now so I don't know how to use the simplification method.
Have you understood now? Mr. Satya, have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
yes, sir.
So what should I write, Mr. Sarthak?
So 2p minus 4p, so it will be 2p.
Sir, it will be minus 2p.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, we have a doubt. Mr. Sarthak, what is the doubt? Mr. Satya, what is the doubt?
So me.
Yeah. Sarthak, what will be the answer?
So minus 2p.
What will be the answer here?
2p
What will be the answer here?
minus 4x.
Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir, I understood.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should I solve this?
What, sir?
How should I solve this? How should I simplify this?
So, sir, then we have to take 2p and minus 4p. So it becomes minus 2p.
अरे फिर से बोलिए 2p minus 3q. उसके बाद क्या करूं? Plus
Plus 3r minus 2q minus 4 minus 2r.
पूरा बोलिए minus 4p.
Okay, sir. Minus 4p minus 2r.
Minus 2r नहीं है सर, ये minus बाहर है. Minus और minus क्या हो जाएगा?
Plus 2r.
सर नहीं समझ में आया.
समझ आया sir. Then so we have to do the simplification method. So 2p minus 4p, which will be equal to minus 2p. Then minus 3q minus 2q. So minus minus becomes plus. So it becomes
अरे दादा,
5q.
no. Mr. Satya will have to revise one lecture. 1 second, I'll just show you that lecture. Mr. Satya, can you see this lecture?
Yes, sir.
So this is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of integers. Sir, you need to revise this lecture.
Okay, sir.
Or we won't be able to understand. I think this is your notebook only. This is your textbook only. Mr.
Yes,
Satya.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we need to revise this, or we won't be able to do algebraic expressions. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so let us try to finish the question. So this will be 2p minus 3q plus 3r minus 2q minus 4p plus 2r. 2p and minus 4p would be, Mr. Sarthak?
So minus 2p.
Minus 3q and minus 2q, Mr. Sarthak, would be?
So minus 5q.
Plus 3r and plus 2r, Mr. Sarthak, would be?
5 plus 5r.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, we need to be very clear about subtraction, multiplication, division of integers, or we won't be able to handle the algebraic expressions. And finally, now you'll put the value of p here, the value of q here, the value of r here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
This will be minus 2 into p is 1, minus 5, q is 2, plus 5, r is minus 2. And now I need to simplify this. So this will be minus 2, minus 10, minus 10. Is the final answer minus 22? Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ariman?
Yes, sir.
Please try to understand if the algebraic expression can be simplified, please simplify it. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो पहले रिवाइज कीजिए, नहीं तो फंस जाएंगे आप. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do question number 70?
So the expression will be 2 and then in box brackets 3x minus 2 plus 4x plus 3.
Mr. Satya, what is the perimeter of a rectangle?
Sir, L into B.
L into B.
Sorry,
आग लगा
sir.
रहे हो सर, मतलब you are on fire today. आग लगा दोगे आज, मतलब एकदम भस्म कर दोगे सब कुछ. बोलिए.
So,
Mr. Sarthak, what is the perimeter?
so 2L plus B.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
भैया सोच समझ के बोला करो, जो दिमाग में आता है बोलते रहते हो यार. L into B क्या होता है सत्या?
So length into breadth.
अरे होता क्या है?
Sir, area.
एरिया सर. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
ऐसे मत करो यार, सोच समझ के बोलो. पढ़े लिखे बच्चे हो. Okay, so what would be the expression, Mr. Sarthak?
So 2 into 3x minus 2 plus 4x plus 3. So 3x and 4x, there will be 7x and then plus 1.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Then there is a second part which says, also calculate the perimeter of the rectangle if the value of x is equal to 3. Sarthak, how should I do this?
So 2 into 7 into 3 plus 1. So 2 into 22, it will be 40.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how should I do this?
So 4 8x plus 3. 4 into 8x plus 4.
Satya, what is the perimeter of a square?
So side plus side raised to power 4.
Correct?
Sorry. Sir, don't know how to tell that.
How to tell? Why? What is the difficulty?
The sum of all sides.
What is the sum of all sides?
Sir, L plus L plus L.
What is the area of a square?
So side into side.
So Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, any doubt?
No, sir.
So Mr. Satya, what will be the perimeter of the rectangle? Sorry, perimeter of square. What would be the expression?
So it would be in bracket 8x plus 3 and outside the bracket raised to power 4.
Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Were you able to do this? Draw the next pattern and complete the table. Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman.
Yes, sir.
The number of triangles formed 1. Sarthak, what are the number of matrix required?
So 3.
For 2?
5.
For 3?
7.
For 4?
So 9.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, I'll suggest you do this lecture again and
Okay.
go through the multiplication, division, this lecture again. Can you see the lecture?
Yes, sir.
Please go through this lecture. Otherwise, I'll tell you what will happen. See, this is what will happen. When we come to your book, the questions are almost the same. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
But now, if you look here, so they are same kind of questions. So for example, question 10 in your book. For each rectangle, write an expression for perimeter and area. Arman, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Same kind of questions? Is there any difference?
No, sir.
Now, Satya, this is where the trouble will come. Please try to understand where the trouble will come. The trouble will start coming from this point, where you will have to multiply the two expressions. Arman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Satya, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So for example, when we have to multiply these two expressions and these two expressions, when the expressions are negative, unless and until you are very clear about the multiplication of integers, this is what we had discussed last time also, you won't be able to handle these kind of questions. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So it would be advisable to revise the multiplication so that you are able to understand this. Because finally you'll have to do all these things again, simplifying algebraic expressions. Satya, can you see?
Yes, sir.